Hey there folks, back here with another update, installing the ceiling panels. I've cut them up into, as you can see, hopefully you can see, cut up into 4-inch strips, 23.5 inches long, and I'm gluing them into the ceiling. And it seems to be working out great, versus using a whole sheet and trying to bend it up in there. Flooring is, subfloor is pretty much complete with a little exception here. The only reason why I have this board up is I was bringing through my solar panel cables through the hole there. Haven't quite finished it. Once that's done, I'll put this panel back down. But I'm also going to show you. I'm going to turn off this fan for a minute. Sorry about that, the noise. I've modified my seat base. Let me put this. Let me show you what I did with my seat here. And I'll have a picture. And I'll have a picture up in the corner right here of it when I got it original, but I'm sure you can get the idea. Anyhow, so ended up having to weld a piece onto here. Had to modify it that way. Then I welded another piece onto that. And I'll probably eventually grind this down or cut it down to where it's much smaller. But anyhow, I had to modify my plates also to fit my tracks. Underneath I had to, I'm not going to be able to show you, but maybe I will. Let's see what I can do here. See right here how I had to shave it out so that the washer and nut fit for this hole right here. Same for the front. So anyhow, there we go. That's the seat base with a swivel. There's the swivel handle right there. So anyhow, back to installing the ceiling panels. I'll go ahead and start doing that, and you can watch. Or you can just move on to another video. And I just put it in place. And I gotta cut some off of this one, just a little bit. Just a little bit. Uh-oh. Where'd my knife go? Put my knife over here. So I'm just going to cut a little bit off of the end here, just a very little bit. That should be enough, maybe not. Do a little bit deeper. There we go. And let's see if I can pull it off without. There we go. That worked out good. All right. And I'll just stick it up in place. There we go. So that's how I'm going to seal them. I'll do a few others. Then you can continue to watch if you'd like. Or you can go on to another video. Didn't cut enough off. Quite a bit more gotta go on this one. I'm probably sure that you're suggesting that I do what I'm doing right now. Is cut them up before I glue them. It's a good idea. That way I don't have to worry about getting glue in my hands in the process like I just did with this. Okay, so that's gonna be the last one. Alright, I have to work on those. I'll probably put one in right there. Let's see how much room I need, if any. I need to cut off. No, perfect. That'll work out just fine. These do. They do not. All right, that's it for now, folks. Please subscribe, like, and share if you liked what you've seen. And until next time, hope you have safe travels. Take care. Bye.